Hello! Pop Pay As You Go is the smart way to get around Tyne and Wear. If you travel by metro and buy single or day tickets, a Pop Pay As You Go card can save you time and money. Here's how it works. Simply touch in and out at the start and end of your journey using the card readers on the metro station validators or gates, even if the gates are open. We'll then calculate the cheapest fare for your journey and deduct it from your balance. It's really important to touch in and out. If you don't, your journey will be recorded as incomplete and you may be charged a maximum fare. If for some reason you can't touch in or out, or you forget, you can ask us to close your journey online. Just log into your PopShop account and follow the instructions. You can check the balance on your Pop Pay As You Go card at popcard.org.uk, at any metro station ticket machine, or by using the Pop Card Checker app. Even if travelling takes you into a negative balance, you can still make one last trip. Just make sure you top up before your next journey. You can top up online, at any metro station ticket machine, at selected Payzone stores, or any Nexus travel shop. To find out more, watch our other Pop Pay As You Go videos or visit nexus.org.uk/pop.